I hope you are doing well. You are taking good care of yourself. It's me, Sue Henry, back again with a new video. So today, guys, I'm back with another interesting video, another cleaning video. Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your cooker stand, and your oven. Look how sparkling clean it will look at the end of the video. So stay tuned and subscribe. I'll start by removing the metallic holder and the burner on the top of the cooker so that it will be easy for me to clean. You can see how stained it is, so well stained, so much stain that I've been trying to remove for a while, but it is not coming out. But today I have the medicine for this. Watch the video till the end and know how I'll remove these stains. Hey stain, we are going to work magic on you. Guys, you can see how all over my cooker is stained, but wait until the end. So I'll also be cleaning the oven. I'll remove all the plates in the oven so that it will also be easy for me to clean. You can see even the grill is stained, it has stain. So I returned the grill and then I preheated the cooker. I preheated this cooker for 10 minutes using both side heat and at a temperature of 90 degrees. Yeah, 10 minutes. The oven is now preheating. I've set the time, I've set the heat. As it's heating, I'll now get ready to be cleaning the cooker side. You can see even it has some stain there. Even on the glass of the cooker at the front door, it has some stains. All this will come out. So I'm going to be using Astonish oven and cookware cleaner. It works magic. It's new, I've just opened it. So I'll put warm water. This is hot water, but I mixed with cold water to make it warm. And then I'll go in with a wet sponge and start scrubbing. Enjoy the music, guys, as I'm scrubbing all these burners because it will end up sparkling clean.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me
After I am done scrubbing and the stains are off, I'll come in with warm water and a cloth so that I can wipe off the Astonish cleaner with the warm water.
on it. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
Guys, are you even ready to see the end result? I think it just need a countdown. 1, 2, 3. Just look at that, guys. Sparkling clean. Just sparkling clean as a diamond. See, guys, just try this and let me know how it goes down with you. Mine is just as sparkling. I'm just a happy girl to see my cooker clean and stainless, as you can see. You can see for yourself. We did it together and this is the end result of the cooker. Just stainless. Ooh, come and see. After the cooker, now I'll be cleaning my oven using Mr. Sheen oven cleaner. It's a different product. So you first have to read the instruction before you use any chemical on your things. So after reading, I'll shake well and then spray it inside the oven. It gives some foam, but it usually dissolves inside the oven. I'll then put on gloves as they explain in the instructions, and then I'll start by cleaning the grill, the metallic grill. See how stains are coming off easily. Just make your life easy by buying products that help you clean your things easily with no stress, with no straining too much. Look at that, guys. I'll also take the other one and go around cleaning it and then start cleaning the walls of the oven using the foam. After this, I'll also rinse this oven with clean warm water. Always remember to go through your rubber part of the oven because it harbors some dirt. See? Once I'm done with the oven, you can see on the glass door there is some stains in between the glasses, the inside glass and the outside glass. I have to remove these stains. How? Just watch to the end and see how. This was my brother's idea. We had to screw off the screw on the door so that we can get into the stains. Big up to my small brother. We finally made it to separate the two glasses on the door. You can see the stains and the lines on the two glasses. All this will have to come out. All you need is to keep watching and see what the magic reveals. See how stained and dusty the door looks. So I'm now cleaning off the stains using warm water and the Astonish oven cleaner. I'll also clean the other glass that we removed from the door. By opening off this door makes it easy for you to clean the between area of the two glasses, and therefore you leave your cooker and the oven clean. If you have a screw, you can do this easily, but always make sure you are careful not to break the glass because it can easily break. You can see the dirt and the dust. You can see the difference. So guys, now I'll be cleaning the burners. I'll be using Astonish cleaner and warm water. The secret here is Astonish cleaner and warm water. I'll scrub through the burners. Let me show you something, guys. This burner has a lot of stains. You can see those stains will have to come off. Just wait and see. I did tell you the stains will come off. Just look at that burner. No stains that were there and sparkling clean. For these metallic stove holders, I'll clean them in a sink using the Astonish cleaner and also rinse them thoroughly. Once I'm done, I'll now rinse my burners and allow them some time to dry before I return them on the cooker. Now it's time to connect back my door, the glass on the door. So I'll just screw back the screws that I had removed and put back in place the handles. So you have to be very careful to note how the screws were and how the handles were before you unscrew them. This was my brother who was helping me because it was his idea. And with no time we were done. And guys, just look at that oven. It's sparkling clean. Only that it's black inside. You can't see very clearly, but it's clean. I just love it. Also the cooker, this is how clean it is. It's already dry, sparkling clean. It's time now to return the burners, the cook burner. You can see, guys, there are no stains on the glass door. Guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Please comment below. Let me know how you think about this video. Tell me if you like more videos like this. And until the next one, guys, bye, and remember to subscribe.